Hi, good day, everybody. I want to give me no honest opinion on this certain situation. I just experienced in a restaurant named Triple Z on Waterloo Road. Because I don't hide not one at all. Triple Z on Waterloo Road. I want to hear what happened to me just a while ago around there. I walk in at the restaurant and the first thing a waitress I go say to me is, if I'm me or the ugly girl what she sip on TikTok. Tell me now, people. Now let me fill it down this blood clot girl or do her something. Me look on her, me pause. First, me pause because what she said to me is like me really try to process this nonsense. If I that she said to me, me pause and me say, alright, Kyla, what the fuck this bitch just say? I said, what the fuck? I said to myself, say, but is this bitch serious? I that I said to myself, say, no. And I say, me look on her, I say, girl, no make me this blood. I say, girl, no make me this you. No make me this you. I walk off left her. Because in truth, me hungry. People, me a drive from far. So me hungry, and to be honest, if me need to drive, because somewhere else to go get local food, it would be a problem. So me decide, say, me I go dust second for the local food that's regardless of this crisis. Girl, when time me go sit down now, she come there and tell me say a joke she a make. First of all, big pussy dirty bumbuckler girl who work at Triple Z. Me and your friend, me and you used to go school together, me and you used to kick stone, me and you used to drink bag juice. So the fuck me know you from? Me don't know you from nowhere at all, right? You come and you call me ugly. Where the fuck me know you from? Big pussy, dirty, stinking, frownsy girl. Your frowns in a blood clot, you come talk about, oh, if me the ugly girl with you sleep on TikTok. The people them fire you for hygiene problem and dirty nasty behavior. Because oh, if you have a customer, you come in and something all the time and I spend money and you approach them like that. I only run the people from people business place. I uno do them something all the time. I say to her, say, girl, me not in and not talking with you. When she comes to me, say, me sorry and I joke me not in and not talking with you cause I come here so for eat. What the fuck you in a long talking with me for? Uno for see customer and know for deal with customer approach with people and everybody and a friend. No matter when you see people on social media, know for be able to see them in a real life. And then everything online is true either. You understand? And these are the things that make me behave crazy. And then you say, my mother, me love cuss and them something. You know, if you know what the fuck we say to people, say, I'm not your little fucking friend, bitch. I'm not your friend. Do not say that to me. No say it to me. And I was there asking for this one waitress that I really admire at the same establishment. Right? I tell girl my plan to spend the day today, you know, because I have to go buy food for my friend and buy food for myself. So, may I show you.